How far borrow them? Your one? What you want to do with them? You want to ship them off? Alright, here what you do. Go up on your Google, download to an app named Nuff Loads. Nuffloads. Yes. Voila. Remember what I'm saying now? Hello? What to you now, sir? Where you there? St. Elizabeth? You want to go to Portland? What you have? Furniture. So you know no chop. Alright, here what you do. Go on Google and you type in Nuff Loads and you see the apps just jump out at you. Just cool man. All problem solved. Just do what I say. Nuff Loads and the apps that. Yes man. And everything good. Trust me. And tell all of your circle them to go for the apps there. Put it on them phone. Easy. All of the problem them solve where transporting is concerned. All of them solve. Anything you want to move. Yes no man. Anything brother. Anything. Nuff Loads, me say Nuff Loads. Listen now. Hello. Nuff. We are going with pen. It's easy to spell. Nuffloads. Alright. Oh, I do now. So you see. Then I'm not tell you man. Alright, go and go do what you have to do now and your problem solved, bro. Yeah man. And tell them say angel do that and end us. Nuff Loads.